Hey, what's up, you guys? Uh, I just wanted to make this short little video just so I can show you guys, because I lost my rockets today, and so here's the footage. There's not very much, so don't be all excited, because it's just a little bit. So here it is.
So Zach on launch pad number 1, going in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oops. One other thing. There we go. 3, 2, 1.
We just supplied them with a new rocket.
It did? Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it over the fence.
Of course it did. Smart one.
Look out, right. Oh my God.
That was so funny.
I thought it was
Okay, going launch pad number 3 in 3, 2, 1. That's the motor coming through. Launch pad number 4.
The motor's going.
That's the motor coming down. Okay, you did that wrong. Okay. Go Isaac, left 4.
Right here.
Right way.
I'm recording this whole thing, right?
He showed up and
I'm recording it.
that's awesome. Hey, get away from that. He did. My dad got him. Guess who else did?
Mine's up there. I want to see.
Michael, what do you have a phone out?
I'm recording you. I forgot my video camera. I was going to put the video camera in there.
Are we allowed to do that?
No. I don't care.
Dude, I'm scared. I want to fight. So bad. They all have to launch and have a motor. No, I'm like, oh my God, what if I'm I'm glad. I bet you got motors. I wanted to put a firework in my so bad. Oh, they're nothing but just oh, God, you have a physical beat, man. Go!
On Brian's side. He goes, that was kind of cool, though. Put a firework in there. You want it? No.
Everything's on. Behind the line, gentlemen. If you don't want to launch, just step over here.
So that was the footage. It was also bad because it was bad because I mean, it's not bad like, but I didn't get to record that much because I was trying to hide it. I forgot my video camera, and so I was trying to hide my phone from the teacher, and that's what I was recording with. So that's why it was like that. And so, yeah. Video Friday. And so, yeah. See you then.